coffee prices are falling. But what does that really mean for your morning cup and for the people who grow it? Is this a win for your wallet or a warning sign for the industry? Let's break it down. Recently, global coffee futures, especially for Arabica and Robusta, have seen a sharp drop. These futures are essentially the prices traders pay for bulk coffee to be delivered later. When these prices fall, it can send ripples across the entire coffee supply chain. Over the past year, coffee prices hit record highs due to supply issues and global uncertainty, but now they're going the other way. Here are some of the biggest reasons why coffee prices are falling right now. 1. Stronger harvests in Brazil. Brazil, the world's largest coffee producer, had been hit by drought and frost in recent years. But now, the weather has improved. Farmers are harvesting more beans, and more supply means lower prices. 2. Vietnam's comeback. Vietnam, the biggest exporter of Robusta beans, has bounced back from production hiccups. Their exports are rising again, adding more coffee to the global market. 3. Slowing global demand. Even though we're still sipping our daily brew, global demand is softening. Economic uncertainty, rising living costs, and even a growing interest in alternatives like matcha or energy drinks have slightly slowed down the coffee craze. 4. Stronger US dollar. Most coffee is traded in US dollars. When the dollar is strong, it makes coffee more expensive for other countries to buy, so demand slows down, which again leads to falling prices. So who benefits from this drop, and who doesn't? If you're buying green coffee beans or even ground coffee, you might eventually see lower prices. Cafes and roasters may save money on bulk beans, but whether they pass that savings on to you is another story. Many coffee farmers already operate on razor-thin margins. When prices fall, it can mean less income, or even losses for small-scale producers, especially in countries like Ethiopia, Colombia, or Rwanda. Big coffee companies that buy and sell in bulk may benefit from lower costs, improving their profit margins. Coffee prices have always been volatile. One bad storm in Brazil, a shift in interest rates, or even new trends like a rise in cold brew or instant coffee can swing the market overnight. But here's the big takeaway. While a dip in price might sound like good news, it highlights how fragile and interconnected the coffee industry really is, from farm to cup. So the next time you take a sip, remember, behind that cup is a global dance of weather, economics, and human effort. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more deep dives on all things coffee, and let me know in the comments, should coffee cost less, or are we not paying enough for the real value behind it?